Alright, we are going to kickstart again. This is your government. Past question. This is still 2012 government past question. We are going to continue from where we stopped. If you cannot see it, just listen to me and why I do other things. We start from 19. From number 19. If you can remember, I stopped at number 18 the other day. This one is number 19. Here we'll search again. Okay. So, if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and hit on the bell icon that you are seeing there to get notification anytime we release a new video. Then if you have any question, ask your question on that comment section that you are seeing there. Alright, let's start. Number 19. Look at it critically. In a parliamentary system, the executive is weak because it is dash. A. Accountable to Parliament. B. Responsible for its own actions. C. Headed by a Prime Minister. D. The head of state that controls the government. The answer to number 19 is A, which is accountable to Parliament. Then number 20, as you can see there. In a federal system of government, the powers of state governments are subordinate to dash. A. The regional constitutions. B. The supreme body of state laws. C. Act of the Parliament at the center. D. Provincial laws. The answer to number 20 is C, which is Acts of the Parliament at the center. Okay. Number 21. An advantage of a confederation over a federation is that the component unit dash. A. Have the right to secede. B. Share resources equally. C. Are politically stable. D. Cooperate fully with the center. The answer to number 21 is A, which is have the right to secede. Secede or secession means when you move out of an organization, or when one of the states that makes up a country decided to move out of to separate from that state. That's what we mean by secession. Just like in Nigeria, the southeastern people 1967 tried to move out of Nigeria. That is secession. Not only them, some people, even some ethnic groups try to do that as well. So that is secession. We look at number 22. Number 22. Number 22. Confederalism was once practiced in dash. A. Nigeria and Ghana. B. Senegal and the Gambia. C. Mali and Cote d'Ivoire. The answer to number 22 is B, which is Senegal and the Gambia. Ojukwu tried to bring it to Nigeria, but it was not successful. Number 23. Which of the following acts as a check check on the executive in the control of the finances of a state. Okay, sir. The dash. A. Judiciary. B. Civil service. C. Press. D. Legislation. The answer to number 23 is legislation. Okay, let's look at number 24. In a legislation, carpet crossing means dash. A. Crossing over the carpet. B. Decamping to another party. C. Legislative dismissal. D. Legislative instrument. The answer to number 24 is decamping, is B, which is decamping to another party. Okay, number 25. The responsibility of the judiciary is to dash. A. Make rules. B. Formulate decisions. C. Arrest offenders. D. Adjudicate cases. The answer to number 25 is D, which is adjudicate cases. Then number 26. One of the limitations on freedom of speech is dash. A. Libel. B. Trespassing. C. Bylaws. D. Unlawful detention. The answer is A, which is libel. Alright. Number 27. A citizen's duties do not include dash. A. Defending the nation. B. Obeying the laws. C. Paying taxes. D. Giving alms to the poor. The answer to number 27 is D, which is giving alms to the poor. It's not their duty. You can do it religiously, but it's not their governmental duty. You can do it, you do. But it's not enshrined in the constitution that you must give alms to the poor or something of that nature. Okay. Number 28. One-party system leads to dash. A. Dictatorship. B. Democracy. C. Diarchy. D. Theocracy. The answer to number 28 is A, which is dictatorship. Number 29. In a democratic state, the party system that usually operates is dash. A. Mass party. B. Multi-party. C. One party. D. Elite party. The answer to number 29 is B, which is multi-party. Number 30, you can see there. Number 30, the coming together of two or more political parties to form a government is dash. A. Coalition. B. Merger. C. Unification. D. Cooperation. The answer to number 30 is A, which is coalition. Number 31, universal adult suffrage is associated with a dash. A. Democratic government. B. Military government. C. Gerontocratic government. D. Fascist government. The answer to number 31 is A, which is democratic government. Then 32, restricted franchise. Restricted franchise violates the idea of dash. A. Political equality. B. Political culture. C. Public accountability. D. Political socialization. The answer to number 32 is A, which is political equality. Then number 33, a major advantage of the secret ballot system of voting is that a major advantage of secret ballot system voting is that dash A, it is faster than other systems. B, it ensures the anonymity of the voter. C, it extends the franchise to all adults. D, nobody can be prevented from voting. The answer to number 33 is B, which is it ensures the anonymity of the voter. Anonymity means you don't know who voted you in, who cast the vote. You don't know. So number 34. The first past the post system of voting is also called dash. A, second ballot system. B, proportional representation. C, simple majority system. D, alternative vote system. The answer to number 34 is C, which is simple majority system. Then number 35, proportional representation is more appropriate in a dash. A, multi-party system. B, plurality system. C, unitary system. D, monarchical system. The answer to number 35 is A, which is multi-party system. Then 36, which of the following can aid in the formation of public opinion? A, order in council. B, free press. C, existence of one-party system. D, existence of press censorship. The answer to number 36 is B, which is free press. When the freedom of the press, that is the media, is encouraged, you can do any public opinion. It will be easy for public opinion to take place. Number 37, which will be the last for this today, which is the civil service is an institution for dash. A, carrying out private organizational goals. B, effecting civil society policies. That is B. Then C, formulating and executing public policies. D, initiating bureaucratic private agenda. The answer to number 37 is C, which is formulating and executing public policies. Thank you very much. Thank you. Please make sure that you study your books. Very, very important. Very, very important. Study your books. Very, very important. And remember, if you have any question or anything, you can call us on 070-88-742-960 or 081-33-57-7465. We have special classes for common entrance pupils, primary 4, 5, 6. Then mathematics, English, and science related subjects from JS1 to SS3. Okay. So we are an educational agency. We can take you online depending on your choice. So do well to reach out to us. Please pursue knowledge. Read. Please read for your own betterment. Thank you very much for your time. See you next time.